gonna create simple automation rules which will automatically send an invitation to Zoom for any new leads that shows up in your CRM. First, make sure you have Bitconf application being properly installed in your system, and there should be at least one Zoom user who corresponds to at least one Bitrix user. Here you can see two persons being matched. So once you save it, and then let's go to our CRM. CRM automation of Bitconf works either in leads or deals. And here you click the animation rules button, and let's create a so-called robot or automation rule which is gonna invite our new customer to Zoom. Click here, let's add up one automation here. So we want this automation rule run instantly as soon as we have a new lead income in our CRM. We want to invite that new lead to Zoom. We want that Zoom meeting last for 30 minutes, and let's say we want to start it instantly. So as soon as leads being created in CRM, our Zoom meeting will start from that moment. And here probably the most important part is that we have to point which Zoom user will be contacting to our new lead. So let's imagine this lead is going to be assigned to sales manager, who is in here. It will probably me, and we will choose here responsible person. Let me remind you that here is me, and I'm matched with my Zoom account. This really doesn't really matter, but let's make it so that automation rules, they'll work, will be run as me. So we're saving it here and saving it. So what actually this automation rule does, it creates a new Zoom meeting from scratch. But next thing, we want to communicate with our client, and let's send him an email. Here, let's say it's going to be sent from me instantly also, and let's talk it over in Zoom. Here we need to send the invitation link that has been created by our first automation rule. So we take it from here and we run down till the proper field, and here it goes. Let's compose a bit of message here. So as soon as we have a new lead being arrived to our CRM, there will be two automation rules that will work automatically. First one will create a Zoom meeting, and the second rule will send an email to our client with the Zoom invitation link. That's it.